It's been so long. Right now it's December, so when we did our last video, it was on 1, 2, 3 months ago. That was so long ago, and we finally got another video. Oh my goodness. So sorry about this, but we all remember we unboxed some of these stuff in our old trains and all the other cool stuff, but we're still missing some old stuff and more things I wanted to show you. And we got a new SpaceX train. Yes, I am not joking. I am not joking. Right here. This is CSX. We literally got a new one. It is so cool. I think we should unbox it together. Okay, let's start. I think we should unbox it back here. There's a good spot right there. Get that thing out. There we go. Right here. We got it. Yep. And it has an extra one up there. I think this is way better than the other one because it's so designed. You know, nothing will come off. Looks so good. The wheels are back. All the other stuff, even that's back there. So we got eesh. Oh no, it broke again. Shoot. There we go. Eesh, this is a bad problem. Shoot. We'll just leave it like that. Yeah. So for instance, we have this. We lost this. We have the horn right here. It's not really there. We have the same logo, and on the other one, this is the old one, we've been having some issues. Things were breaking off, and just the same back here. This tunnel got off. It's supposed to be up there, but it's really hard to get on. I can't believe this actually happened. Got the CSX logo over there. Same number as over here. And yeah, check out the front. So both fronts look a little different. For instance, like this front over here. See this front? It's a little taller. This part, like right here, is a little taller than this, I think. Looks a little taller. As you can see, it looks way more taller than you think. Like this is like reaching all the way over here. It's like touching. It literally touched right there. And actually, the CSX logo over here looks a little more down. This one looks a little more up to me. But if you think that's wrong, comment down below. Well, I think I gotta come on. So yeah, that's what we have over here for the new CSX. This one, we have our old things I wanted to show you. We have this. We had another real box, but the bottom looks a little broken, so they're pretty big. And also the top here looks more instead white. So we're gonna get this thing fixed. Over here, we have this, but we have no bumpers. So, yeah, that should go there. And then this is what I really wanted to show you. It's been so long we couldn't find it. I found it. It was called the Burlington Northern. You probably heard of this. But it still needs fixed on here. Everything's fine. But it needs fixed on here. It doesn't have a bumper. So that should be fixed at the fixing area. Over here we just have this little castle thingy. I don't know what that's for though. And we have this old locomotive. Let's see what's inside. Just give me a minute. Okay, sorry. We have this old locomotive that's supposed to be part of it. I have no idea what this part is for. So this should definitely be at the fixing area. And then what else we have in the bag is this. I have no idea what it's for. So that should be back there. And then we just have another extra thingy. I don't know what this is. It's on the back. So that should definitely be over there. What's the bag? And we have the rock. This one, I really thought this had wheels on it. It was perfect, but it doesn't have any wheels, so yeah. I don't know what I was thinking. The rock definitely needs to be fixed, but I really wish it worked. And we have this. I have no idea what this is for, but I really like this car because it looks like things should go on it, but it's really flat. So I think this is a very good one. And we don't need any repairs on this. So it can go on the good plate. So it's all good, it can join. Here, we have this N scale tank cart. I think it's N scale. This should open well. I think it opens here. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe. No, that fell off. We have this tank cart. N scale, just looks like N scale because it's very small. And this is right okay, but since this is N scale, this can go over here. And we have another N scale, I think. The hopper cart. This definitely should go in the N scale part, I think. So we're gonna put that there. It's really hard to open. I don't know why. Got it. Here's what it looks like. And the difference is because it has a different hook than the other, so yeah, that's definitely different. Could probably connect, but it doesn't really work, I think. I'll try it next time. Over here we have this NFL. Looks pretty cool. The Dolphins, Miami Dolphins. And it says Champion Super Bowl VII, Super Bowl VII, champions. I should get the screwdriver. What's that? You know what doesn't? Oh, here. So right here, NFL, and it has Super Bowl VII, maybe 6. I don't know what really that means, but and Super Bowl VII, Champions Super Bowl, and then we got the Miami Dolphins A. And on the other side, it's the same. Really. Champion Super Bowl VII, Champion Super Bowl VII, NFL TM, Miami Dolphins. I forgot TM. It's right here. TM. This one should definitely be in this fixing area since it doesn't have any wheels or bumpers on it. So that should be over here, right next to the rock. Right here is a very cool one. I see them a lot. Freight train, I see these. Has the back, doesn't has the other back. This one doesn't have anything back here. And this has the wheels but no bunker. So this definitely has to be repaired. For here we got a caboose. ATSF 1951 Santa Fe. And this has nothing on it. So this will need to be on repair. Just put it right next to the other cart. I forgot what this one is. And we got this for some reason. Train. Well, we already have one. It doesn't fit well together. So this one should definitely be over here with the end scale. Doesn't really go on the end scale, but I'll try for the HO scale. And we have another caboose, 354. 354 airport. Here, let me see what. Let me show you where it's at. Air brake is supposed to be right here. Air brake, right here. MCB coupler. I can't really read. It's so small. Yeah, this definitely needs to be on repair because I mean this one's fine over here, back, but back here I have no idea what's over here, and it has no wheels over here. So that should be in the fixing area, next to the Santa Fe. And we got this for some reason. I think it goes to a cave. It's gonna go over there. And then we have this. The bumper's fine. The wheels are good. This one can actually go back over here. Back here we have this Illinois Central. I think it says cushion under rain. Right over there. Can't really see it. That should definitely be in the fixing area. Back here we have the swirl. Swift, Swift, I can't really read well. Swift refrigerator line. This definitely needs to be fixed because it has nothing. Fixing area. We got this New Haven sign over here. Same back here, but this needs repair because it has nothing on it. Back here, I remember this cart. The bumper's fine, and the wheels are fine. I was really looking for this cart, and I found it. That can actually be over here. We only have 3 left, guys. We have this. Why is this so blurry? What it actually says, ATNSF 90806. Oh, that's so small. Can't really read it. Cappy. Yeah, I can't read that. Oh, it's also the same on the back. And this bumper's fine. This bumper's fine. The wheels are fine. This can actually go over here. Congratulations. Okay, when we have this one, this actually is supposed to be connected to a flat one. I know that. I think. I can really see that. And that. But I think it's on a flat one, but I probably need to repair on the flat one or if it has wheels. So that should definitely go to the repair area. We have this. Central Valley, carts of the good old days, old trains HO scale. And this looks cool. Looks very cool. Oh look, this is actually very cool. Union Pacific. Bro, still needs repair. Needs a bumper and it needs another bumper. And it has all this other stuff that goes here. But this one's a very good one. So, and also this was the last one. Wow. So this has to get to repair. Thanks for watching this video. And make sure to slap that like button and smash that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.